Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNOX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bloodshed continues on this one. I talked about that briefly on the video from Wednesday, how that pink line there had been broken, which on my chart denotes the very famous, right there, that pink line, 200 period moving average, and with the slight break below it, that was, the opening of the floodgates as the momentum just continued down. So a lot of updates need to be done, so much so that I'm just going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Sure, they pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter or confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's just first start off with, the very straightforward part here, and that's levels of support. And this level of support is coming from nothing fancy, nothing complicated, other than the fact of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that bleeding stopped down there at we'll just call it the $28 mark. So $28 is going to be that first key level. And to squeeze things down, just in case $28 does not quite hold up. Next level of support after that, again after 28, not until down there around, we'll call it 25.75. So 28 and then 25.75, two main areas of support here headed into Friday. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, so in other words, if the price decides it wants to start to bounce back upwards, the first big battleground and test point will be right up there at $30.50. And then after $30.50, next key overarching level will be right up there at, let's see, what is that? The $35 mark. But all in all, yeah, right now, the bears are in full control. I realize that's an obvious statement when I say that. But you never know, when the bears get this much in control, there can definitely be some very interesting bounces. So we'll see if the bulls have something up their sleeve or not on Friday. But yeah, as of right now, things are looking very shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.